After visiting 30 countries, here's my top 10 travel tips. First, apply for TSA PreCheck and global entry. Speed through airport security without taking off your shoes, removing your laptop, removing liquids. Whiz by customs, helping you get onto your connections on time and home faster. It's really worth every penny. Second, prepare for the worst. Pack an emergency travel kit with all the biggies: Neosporin, Imodium, Advil, Benadryl, Dayquil, Pepto, prescription medication. Also, don't forget a spare set of contact lenses. When you go abroad, it might be impossible to find them. Buy travel insurance, such as Allianz. An accident while traveling could result in a fortune in medical bills. And before the trip, take your camera out and take photos of all of your documents, as well as your ATM and credit cards, and email a copy to yourself as well as a friend at home. 3, stock up on apps. I swear by Google Translate. It will help you avoid ordering the deadly puffer fish when you go to Japan. Download Gas Buddy for cheap gas, Sit or Squat for clean bathrooms, Gate Guru for airport security wait times, and destination-specific apps like walking tours and transportation. 4, chow down like a local. Book a food tour to sample some of the local foodie delights. My mouth waters thinking about hungry birds in Amsterdam, food tours of Stockholm, and secret food tours in Dublin. Eat where the locals eat. 5, find freebies. Traveling is expensive, so seek out online lists of free festivals and attractions, such as Sandeman's New Europe Walking Tours and London's British Museum. 6, build in splurges. A few well-chosen splurges can make your vacation priceless. Hire a travel photographer to capture the joy of your vacation. Take a private waltz class in Vienna. Contact Get Your Guide to book once-in-a-lifetime experiences around the world, like a sunset gondola ride in Venice with musical accompaniment. 7, Segway around town. You can cover a lot of ground while seeing the sights from a different angle. It's particularly great for people who have children 12 and up. We love zipping up and down the hills of San Francisco. We really did that. Also gliding under the painted porticos in Bologna and going along the waterfront in Copenhagen. Do this at the beginning of your trip so you get a lay of the land. 8, book airfare like a pro. For the lowest rates, book on Sundays and don't book on Fridays, and also try to book 6 to 8 weeks before you go. Try Google's ITA Matrix, Google Flights, Momondo, and Skyscanner. 9, take the kids. Don't underestimate your children. Write up fun, amazing race-type style clues and challenges, put them in sealed envelopes, and give them to bellhops and waiters to surprise them along the way. Build in lots of downtime and snack breaks. And 10, and I think most importantly, pack light. Don't check your bags. Lighten the load and carry on. Lay out everything you want to pack and then take out half of it. It's really all you need. Then you never have to worry about lost luggage or baggage fees. If you plan some, get out of your comfort zone and go with the flow, you'll catch a bad case of wanderlust like me. Happy traveling. Thank you.